I'm here in Knoxville. I barely showed up late. Because, let me tell you why, right? So, boom, I wake up at like 7 o'clock, take a quick shower, finna walk out the door, be there by 8. Person supposed to give me a ride ain't up. So, I get a ride for somebody else. I get there. This is not even what make me late. I'm just talking about the whole day because I didn't really vlog today like I wanted to. So, I get there, bam, bam, finna get ready to head out, going through with my little pre-inspection, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I left at 10, get there at 10:30. I get in, I finna go through a little check-in, finna go check in and get my load. And this lady's like, you only have a partial number. I'm like, what do you mean I have a partial number? This is what I printed out. I mean, the whole thing is here. So what's the partial? She said there's some numbers missing. So I'm like, okay. Is there another way we can get this confirmed? She's like, you have an order number? I'm like, this ain't it right here on the paper? No, that's not it. Call my dispatcher. Yo, yada, 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 boom, boom, bow. What's going on? Let me talk to the broker. So I'm like, okay, cool. He talks to the broker, come back to me. I get the pickup number. So I give her the pickup number, yada yada. She's like, y'all gotta email this, and I'm like, what? And then she's like, nah, let me see something right quick. I said, so why tell me if you finna change your mind? Or whatever. Right? Get that figured out. They load me up, and then for some reason, the load wasn't just there at the gate like I've seen before. Instead, they had to go way to the back and then bring it back. So this man is making like 2-3 minute trips longer than I expected. But I was there for like an hour and a half. So I'm leaving at 12. No, I left at 1. Yeah, I left at 1 because I sent the picture. So after all that, I don't know how long it took, but I left at 1 and I got there at 10:30. The place closes at 4, and Knoxville is 3 hours and some change away. So I didn't notice at the time because I didn't know it closed at 4 because there was no number even to call on to the place to know when y'all closed. I had to stop and get some gas. So I get there at 4:30, bro. 4:30. I pull up, empty, dead, deserted. Nobody's there, bro. So I'm just sitting there like, damn. What do I do? What do I do now? My dispatch made a big boo-boo, and so I gotta sleep here in Tennessee instead of going somewhere else tonight. So that's my day. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill, probably watch The Witcher, sleep in the truck, and I'll catch y'all later, man. I'll catch y'all later. So I made a promise to myself so I don't look like a truck driver. I'm gonna do 20 push-ups every time I stop. So I didn't do it when I stopped because I was trying to make that time. But I gotta do 60 push-ups tonight. All right, so I'm gonna knock that out right quick. I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit because it might be a struggle. I'm kind of tired. But I got this 60. 3 of 20. Yeah, we go all the way down right here. Set 2. I think that was 20. It felt like 20. All right. Oh, now she calling me. You washing the dishes? With no music? You're a psycho. Y'all commented that's crazy to wash dishes with no, do chores with no music. I think that's kind of psycho. I still think it's psycho, but I'm doing my push-ups. That's why I was calling you, but you missing out now. I'm on my last set. 2, 3. I sound like a robot. My phone is in the truck. 6. Yep. Oh. Come on. Stop being a bitch. Stop being a bitch. I'm being a bitch. 7 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 2 more. One more. 10. All right, I did my workout. So, good night for now. Y'all see me again in the morning. Do my little pre-check. I'll show you what that's about. All right. Bruh. It was not. It would have been fine if it wasn't. Like, I should have brought a blanket and maybe like, I don't know. Like next time I'm gonna have to bring like my weighted blanket and my comforter to like lay the floor, pad it up. That was not comfortable at all. Like, not at all. I found like one good position out of the whole night. But other than that, I did not sleep too hot. I didn't sleep too great. Man, it was freezing. So I'm waiting on the truck to warm up so I can move up. Move to the front of Lowe's, take a shower. And I'm gonna head out. Y'all see me again when I get to the drop off. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at the place. When I first pulled up, nobody was here. Or they were just all in the back chilling or whatever. So I thought something was gonna happen again, but they unloading it now. What? Make sure my camera right. They got this forklift in here. Man. I really ain't getting no sleep. They just hit me with a load from here to Texas for $2,100. I'm just thinking like, is that worth it? $2,100? It's only $1 and like a quarter for a mile. I don't think that's worth it. I don't think that's worth it. We'll see what my boss says though. She had the final verdict in the say. So we'll see if it's worth it or not. I need to grab a clip to post today. Let me do that right quick. Put this SSD in so we can get straight to it. And then wizards, clips, sir. There we go. Nah, too much over there. Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna just organize this truck right quick, get it back in order, and then I'll catch up with y'all. Tomorrow? Nigga, that's... I gotta go all the way to Florida by tomorrow, 4 p.m. That shouldn't be too bad. 3,000 pounds, paying 1,000, 660 miles. It's over $1.50. Yeah, let's do it. 660 miles, that's not like a lot. Going to Florida. All right, cool. I don't have a super good way of doing this at the moment. But if this works smoothly, this works good like I think it will, I am super fucking goated if this works great. So we'll see we'll see the end result. Please don't hurt. It looked good though. I mean, it looked like it'll work for the most part. I hope so. I think it'll work. My mama calling.
Hey, good morning. Sorry, I'm walking. It's kind of hard to see the text and stuff.
You good? Hold on. My dispatchers call me.
Oh, you coming back?
I got you. I'm finna get a load to go to Florida.
What part?
Mascotte?
Huh?
Mesquite. There's only one O.
Mesquite, Florida?
Is it really Mesquite? Wow.
I don't know. I don't know how to spell.
Mascotte.
Mascot. Mascott.
E.
Oh.
So, I'm waiting on a load to get processed for me to go to Florida. It's really about 8 hours away. That's not that big of a deal, really. I could probably, I'll be going back through where I stay at, so I could probably, I don't know. I think I'll just try to get far as possible, then rest. There's no point in driving 3 hours to rest for the rest of the day and then drive 5 early in the morning. Yeah, I think that's what I'm doing, just drive far as possible. Hopefully I ain't gotta stay in the truck again, I don't know. But, or I could just go by the house and grab that comforter and that weighted blanket. We'll see. I'm about 10 minutes away from the town that I'm supposed to be picking this load up. It's only 20 minutes away. So once we get that, we'll be heading over there. It looks like this is holding up pretty well. It hasn't fell. And if I want y'all to see some sights, I can just do this. And y'all can see kind of my perspective of what I'm doing out here, on the road. It might not look that great because, it's probably blown because the sun is that way. So sorry if it's super blown out. My camera doesn't have a screen where I can just flip it and see it like that. Soon, we'll get there. I'm in the area of where I'm supposed to be picking this up. I think I'm starting to see that this whole getting loads process at the moment is gonna take a little while. So I'm just gonna be sitting here for I don't know how long. I got a bag of chips and a little bit of a Snickers. So I'm just gonna be chilling here for a while. I'll probably get some editing done while I sit here and wait or just read a book. I don't know. Let me show y'all what books I got, right? These books I've had for so long and I want to get back into reading. Well, not get back into. I never really read as a kid, right? And it kind of shows. So I need to read. So I have this book that I've had for so long, literally since I graduated high school, and I never really read it. As a Man Thinketh, and The Echoes of the Old Darkland, book that my brother let me use. So I think I'm gonna read this one first, just to get back into reading. I read a little bit, but I need to just go ahead and restart and read, because this is really like a one-night book. You can knock this out in a night. Depending on what type of night it is, I can knock that out in one night, especially when I'm feeling restless. So I'll do that. But yeah, man, that's it. I guess I'll show y'all what the pre and post inspection looks like of the truck. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like right now. Oh, and I just got the load. Yay. All right, where are we going to pick this up at? Cool, it's 8 minutes away. It's pretty good that I came early, huh? All right, y'all, I don't know if my battery will last all the way over here. I'm on 14. Okay, I'm cold. I ain't gonna lie, I'm cold at this driving thing. This I'll tell you right. If you grew up in St. Louis, you could drive anything. I'm telling you, if you can drive in St. Louis, you can drive anything. In St. Louis, don't even got that bad of drivers. Not even gonna lie to you, the drivers ain't that bad. Compared to Atlanta, they're not that bad. Atlanta is horrific. They are terrible. They are the worst drivers I've seen. But people have said people in Los Angeles are worse, so y'all handle that. I don't know. I've seen Atlanta. It's terrible. Made a big play to come over here and chill and wait, because now I'm only 5 minutes away, and I don't have to wait that long. Let's see what these trees, bro. I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Go, mother. The way I nigga rigged this together, man, I'm a genius. These are the roads that are like super relaxing, bro. Like when it's just open, there's not that many people, you don't gotta deal with traffic in the city, it's just open road. It's pretty relaxing, bro. All you gotta do is just chill. It's like the easy. To me, it's like the easiest thing in the world, because driving is like literally the easiest thing to do in the world. Like driving is not hard at all. Like if people, like I get people that have anxiety of driving, but it's not that bad. It's really not. Now I'm not gonna sit here and say that I've never had PTSD of driving. When I had my accident in 2020. I had PTSD for a while, and then when I got a new car, I had to drive it from Atlanta back home to St. Louis. So imagine that with PTSD, driving through Atlanta during rush hour. The PTSD, not fun. But hey, now I can just drive whatever, like nothing really a challenge driving wise. I feel like I could drive a 53 footer, I just don't want to. It's just too much. It's just too much, like, I'm not saying it's hard to do, it's just more to manage that I just would not want to get into. You know what's interesting? And I feel like, you know what's really interesting is that everybody wants to claim Bojangles is so good, but it's never packed. I've never seen Bojangles packed ever in my life, bro. Never have I seen Bojangles packed. And Bojangles not even in the Midwest. So now that I'm here in the South and I've been here for a few years, I've never seen Bojangles packed, ever. I've always seen Popeyes packed. I've always seen Chick-fil-A packed. You never see Bojangles or Church's packed. And Church's is trash, so I don't care what nobody says. If you really gonna sit here and try to defend Church's, you can just unsubscribe. I don't care. You can unsubscribe from my channel. You can block me. You can, all of it. You can hit me with the harshest amount of just leave my channel at all costs. Cause we not, no. And I'm gonna say this. Cane's, overrated. And the other one, what's the other one? What's the other one that's like Cane's? I can't even remember. But Cane's, highly overrated, bro. And I grew up in St. Louis. It's overrated. They don't even season their fries. Their chicken isn't seasoned. The sauce is not all of that. The bread is the best part about it. They toast is on point, hands down, because they buy it. It's the toast you get from the grocery store. It looks like I'm supposed to be turning. Man, it's kind of a tight turn, not gonna lie. But I'm that nigga. Look at that fire ass vet. I don't know if y'all can see that. I would love to shoot a vet one day. And drive it. Oh boy. Man. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all saw how I was having too much fun in that Supra. And the challenge. I would love to drive a Corvette one day. Just 5 seconds. Just 5 seconds, bro. That's all I want. 5 seconds and I'm good. I don't want to go. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to kill myself. That's V10. But the one car I probably would never, ever want to be in is a Viper. I probably wouldn't. Nah, man, a Viper is just, I don't know, bro. A Viper is a different level of, I don't value my life. But this is basically the process, you know, you come in, whatever. You go talk to whoever, and then they tell you what to go to. I'm trying to look at where I need to go for right now. I'm gonna park and look at this. So I'm gonna park and look at this info right quick. I'll be back. All right, so that was pretty easy. This one was pretty smooth this time. Just go in. Well, not go in. I gotta go to door 3. I don't know how this dude next to me gonna pull this maneuver off to get out of here. But he pulled in. You might see him right now. Yeah, you see that boy? He in that deep. Let's see. Door 3 right there. No car next to me. Who's calling me? I don't know who this is calling me, but I am working. Hello? What's up?
I'm trying to check. This is the broker. My name is Mark. I'm trying to check if you are on site of the shipper or not yet.
I'm literally backing right into the door right now.
You are backed up to the dock?
I'm backing it up right now as we speak.
Alright, sounds good. Please make sure you get correct units. Don't take any extra units. Shortages are fine. If there are any, just mark it on a POL.
Say that one more time. I heard you say don't take any extras.
Yes, don't take any extra units. If there will be any shortages, that's fine. Just mark your numbers on a POL. You will figure it out with the shipper.
Okay. Can you tell me how many I have right now?
How many items?
Yeah, how many I'm supposed to have? Can you tell me right now?
11.
11 pallets or just 11 boxes? Because these just look like regular boxes.
11 units, that's on the floor.
Okay, got you.
Alright, sounds good.
All right, appreciate you. And kiss it like your mama loves you. All right, y'all. Getting loaded up right now. Gotta go to Florida, like dead center in the Florida between Orlando and Tampa. So it doesn't look like I'll be going to too much. Yeah, don't look like I really be going to no big city. Cool. I like that. Looks like I'm delivering some refrigerators, a return. I guess these are no good or something, I don't know. But yeah, couple thou off this one. So yeah. I will see y'all. You will see me again when I'm out on the road, probably out of Tennessee. Not out, well, I don't know how far it's gonna take me to get out of Tennessee. When I'm just out in the open. I think that's when I'm gonna cut the camera back on. So right now, so you gotta kind of have to go through a weigh station whenever you have weight. Well, whenever you have a load, you have to go through a weigh station. If y'all have ever seen this and wondered, bypass the left lane. Well, I guess I just go this way. It's not really all permitted loads. Huh. Well, I think I'm just gonna go this way. And you kind of have to just maintain your speed. I guess they can just quickly get your speed or whatever, and then you just go on from there. It's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. It's kind of annoying that I have to do that whenever I have a load, no matter where I am, I have to do that. But I mean, I get it. Just people figure out ways to finesse and all that, so I get it. Hopefully I did the right thing so that state trooper don't come after me. But I think I did. But I just wanted to show you that right quick. I'm not really out of like the Tennessee, like the heavy Tennessee area. There's just a lot of 12 around, and I just don't feel like dealing with them. So when I'm out in the open, I'll vlog a little more to get my mind ready, because I have a headache, so I need to get my mind ready. But I just wanted to show you that right quick. So yeah, we got another load from where again? Where did we get it from? From Calhoun, Georgia, which is already in the way I was going. So that worked out pretty well. So I'm finna get even more money now. And it's going to Florida as well. So I'm gonna have a full truck and I can head into Florida. The load we already got is only 3,000. And this truck can hold, I think we don't want to put no more than 10 in there. So we got some room. So yeah. But all right, I'm going back. So y'all, as I pull into town, I find out my load got canceled. Well, that money's gone. Hopefully we find another one, but I'm in whatever Coon, Georgia, whatever part of Coon, Georgia I'm in. I'm gonna take me like a 30-minute to an hour nap just to feel a little more fresh. I'm kind of tired because I've been up since like 6 and I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm gonna take a little break and yeah, I'll be back. Give me something to eat right quick. Yeah, I want to help a brother out. Help your boy make it through the next few days before I get paid. I'm gonna put my cash out on my PayPal. Link in bio. I'm in somewhere in Georgia, on the way to Florida. I'm at Love's again. My drop-off time is 9 a.m. So I'm gonna just do kind of on and off, probably every 2 hours. So like I'm gonna drive for 2 hours, rest for 2 hours, drive for 2 hours, rest for 2 hours. And I should be there by 9. And then I'll take a load from there back to Atlanta, and then I can get some sleep. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will catch y'all in the morning when I fuel up. Y'all, when I say piss, bro, piss. So, as y'all know, I had to take a load from Tennessee to Florida. They dispatch says we got a partial load that you can take. Cool. This partial load is on the way, but it's a little bit off track, right? About like a good hour and a half, I think. So I go get this load. I'm pulling up, I'm like, what's the location for this load? They say, oh, they canceled it. Hey. So I keep on pushing. And then when I get to Atlanta, I take a little break. So I'm tired, I'm gassed. I've been up since 6, and it's like 4 o'clock. So I take a little 2-hour break. Get up, I go for another, I don't know, hella hours, 5 hours, I think. I don't know, I just go, not 5. I go for like 2.5 more hours. I take a 2-hour nap. And then I'm going all through the night at this point, right? So after this load, I was supposed to take a load back to Atlanta. That load got canceled. And then I get here, these people talking about something. Oh, you in a box truck? I'm like, yeah, I'm in a box truck. They said, oh, we can't put our forklifts on it. After the last 3 people I've been to have put their forklifts on it. And these are refrigerators. So I go and unload 11 refrigerators by myself. No one helped me for real except this one dude on the last 2. And I knew it was gonna happen, but this brother helped me out on the last 2. And I already am gassed. I ain't got no sleep, been up all night. I ain't even ate, nothing. And they gonna make me do this by myself? When they could've got the forklift on there? On a better note, look at all these trees being planted. Look at all those trees. They're gonna become beautiful one day. But back to my pain and struggle. So, my dispatcher talking about, we got a load to Texas. I'm like, fuck no, I'm not going to Texas right now. I need to go home and get some sleep. I need to go home I need to go back to Atlanta and get some sleep. And I forgot something, so I need to go to the crib and get some sleep. Some actual sleep. Look at my eyes, bro. I got Gucci bags on my eyes. Like, I got Pharrell Louis Vuitton airport bags on my eyes right now. And they want to do a five pickup to Texas? Fuck no. Hell no. That's like a whole day. Excluding that just from here to Texas is a whole day. Fuck that, bro. No. And they talking about, nah, the pay wasn't worth it. $2,050, that wasn't worth it, bro. Because I promise you it'll be more than 2,500 miles to get there. And so they were just talking about a 3-stop pickup to Atlanta. I'm like, okay, that sounds good. Where's the location? This thing is at the bottom of Florida. I'm dead smack in the middle. I'm not gonna make a 5-hour travel time. That 5 hours not even gonna be paid. 5 hours of travel that won't be paid? No, bro, that ain't happening. So I'm going the way to Love's right now because I smell terrible after having to sweat and do all that by myself. Man. I'm not doing that again. They be like, you gotta do it. No, you do it. You pay people to unload trucks. I'm not doing this shit. I am not. Never do they do that. Never at UPS. Did a trailer pull up? And I'd be like, nah, you gotta unload that. Never has that happened. So hell no, I'm not doing that, bro. Y'all can take them damn refrigerators and all that shit up. Y'all damn self. I'm on the way to Love's. I'll see y'all when I get out of the shower. I haven't even really got a chance to sleep. I took a shower and ate. Do I need gas? Well, I could really just start moving. I kind of just want to get moving. Hands ashy as fuck. I don't know how they ashy if I use my hands to put lotion on my body. Is that kind of wild? But, man. So I've learned that it is difficult to get loads out of Florida the closer to the bottom you are. I'm dead smack in the middle. And it's still difficult. So I'm gonna head back towards Atlanta and hopefully pick something up on the way, like to Savannah or something. But yeah, that's just kind of how it's looking right now. I'm gonna let my dispatch know. You can climb my car. Cool. I'm gonna make my way back. When this truck move out the way, I still can't believe them lazy motherfuckers made me unload my truck. That still got me heated. I might as well just get gas while I'm here, because at this point, I'm not gonna be able to move until these niggas are gone. Put my ice in here. Don't pay for ice, bro. Don't go be buying ice me out here. Go into the whatever store they got attached to Love's or McDonald's, ask for a cup of ice. That shit free. And then you just put in one of these and it'll be cold for the rest of the day. Oh, I saw this thing called Gum Energy. I found something called Gum Energy, so I could pop one of these mugs and it's only 6. Dang, fat ass gum. Look like a boy. This is 1 piece of extra strength equals a double shot of espresso. I don't even drink coffee, but I think this is not a good idea. This is... Let's try it. That is horrible. Oh. You probably do got 2 shots of espresso with this shit. What the fuck? Oh. Oh my God, this is disgusting. Now I gotta find a parking spot. If you can see this little bug on my windshield, I don't know what these bugs are, but they are hella annoying to look at. And this is what the middle of the day looks like when you gotta wait on people to get gas. Bro, this shit is fucking disgusting. This is the most grossest shit I've ever had in my life. I might be awake like a mug now, but do I regret it? Yes. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. Oh. Spit in my ass, bro. It tastes like... Nothing makes me like want to like, but that gum really makes me want to just. It's not it, bro. It's not. I can't even believe what I just ate, bro. That's so disgusting. Loves. What's the next one? 45 miles. I can make it 45 miles. I'm gonna get out of this line. It's not gonna work for me, bro. This is not gonna work for me. That's taking way too long. I can get on the road. Oh, see something behind me. Where you at? I see you. Just clear out so I can get along out of here. You better not pull up right behind me, bro. As you see, I'm finna leave. You better not do nothing stupid like that. See, I'm finna leave and pull up behind me or next to me. That'd be such a dick move. But these bugs on me are annoying. There's bugs all over this truck. Oh, where you at? Okay, I see you. Just go ahead and get out of that. I'm not waiting on that. Taking too long, just way too fucking long. Like, they take too long. You can have my spot for like, fuck. I'm just gonna keep it pushing and get some distance, but I'll be back after I make it out of this town. So, I'm in, I don't know where I am. Ocala, Florida, somewhere near there. Gonna head towards Jacksonville, see if we can get a load to Atlanta. Just gonna clean up all the bugs that wanted to kill themselves. You know, all the bugs I'm gonna give up on like today. So, I gotta clean these dudes off. Like the bugs beep beep beep. That was on the windows. Yeah, gotta get them off. Why do so many people wanna? Bugs need better help. What are you? I'm gonna go. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna go. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, I done came all the way up, basically to Jacksonville. Didn't know Lil was coming out of here. So, I'm just gonna go home to Atlanta now. So, all y'all gonna see is just me going back home. Thanks y'all for tuning in to this trip. It's basically trip 1. So, we'll see where trip 2 takes us. I don't know what I'm gonna call this series, but thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and have a good day.
I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial, how you wanna go back? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that, I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back, I don't trust nobody.